Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Malabar special Kaai curry. This is like payasam which has plantain and Bengal gram. It's my favorite dessert and let's see how to make this Kaai curry. Take 1 cup of raw rice in a bowl. Clean the rice and add in enough water to soak it. Soak the raw rice for 2 hours. I like Malabar dishes and this is my recent favorite. Take half a cup of Bengal gram or chana dal in a pressure cooker. Add in 1 cup of water and cook the chana dal. You should cook in such a way that it's not too mashy. In this pressure cooker, it took 4 whistles. So the cooking time depends on your pressure cooker. Look at it friends, the chana dal has cooked perfectly. This should be the texture of the chana dal. It should be firm to touch and when you mash it, it should be soft. So make sure not to overcook the chana dal. Next important ingredient is plantain. We need 2 plantain for this dish. In Tamil we used to say Nenthrampalam or Ethambalam. Chop the plantains into small size like this. Take it in a pressure cooker. Add in 1/4 cup of water. Pressure cook the banana for 1 whistle. The banana has cooked perfectly, it shouldn't be mashy. Next I am going to grind the soaked raw rice. Rice is drained out of water and taken in a mixer grinder. Grind it into a smooth paste by adding enough water. I have added 1 cup of water and grind it into a smooth batter. We have to grind the rice smoothly without any lumps. The batter has grinded perfectly. I am transferring the batter into this Kaai. Next I am going to prepare the coconut milk. For that take half a coconut in a mixer grinder. Actually there is no specific measurement for coconut milk. We have prepared 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Add in enough water and blend it smoothly. Once the coconut is blended smoothly, add in a small piece of onion. This onion gives nice flavor to the Kaai curry. Blend it smoothly and strain the coconut milk. I have added the coconut milk into the same Kaai wherein we have the batter. Actually my amma is helping me to prepare this dish. I have added 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Well, sweetness can be adjusted as per your taste. We like Kaai curry to be sweeter. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. Add in 3 cups of water. Actually, there is no specific measurement for coconut milk and water and all. Switch on the flame and continue stirring so that no lumps form. Add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This mixes rice and hence it will thicken fast. So we have to stir in continuously or else lumps will form. You could see the Kaai curry is thickening. Once it is almost thickened, add in the cooked chana dal. In goes the cooked plantain. Stir it gently so that everything combines well. For extra flavor, add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Give it a stir and switch off the flame. This should be the consistency of the Kaai curry. Once it cools down, this will thicken even more. Kaai curry is our favorite dessert in recent times. We used to have this for breakfast as well. Do try this authentic Malabar special Kaai curry and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.